Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today we learn how to create a author book website using WordPress, Elementor, e-commerce. Let's start it. Before starting, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button for notification latest content. Let's start it. So here's the website. We have making this website free and in just some minutes. How we can do this? This is a bookstore on a author store. Basically this is a single author store. So if you have your author, if you have a clients and they want to create this stunning beautiful website, you just this is also fully functional. If you want to read a book on Amazon, you just click on Amazon link. You can add your Amazon web store link, and you as well as you can add AliExpress, Dras, and any store link URL here. And you can also uh, add a checkout. You can just click on checkout. It's automatically checkout. Here's the checkout because already in cart. So you can also check out, you can fill the details and just purchase it. You also have multiple links. You can just subscribe. Here's the list of books, and this is a book, and these are the books. If you want to add to cart, you can also check out. Okay, so remove it from cart and now book it. Because this is a testing website, that's why it's making an error, stripe error. So just click on, if I go down this one, just press the purchase. It's a checkout. Now you can check it. Here's our checkout. So this is a process, and you can check out and notify me, so you can setting all the stuffs and details. So how we can build this website? Bio page. Where is the author page, the list of bio, as well as our contact page. So this is a detail of contact. How to we can set up and how to create this is a fully tutorial. Please stay with us end of the video. So let's start it and go back. Here's our fresh website, which just has no content. This is the default theme. So what we do? So first we need a plugin. So that name Elementor. So just I have already installed, just activate it. If you have account, you can just connect, otherwise you can just leave it. So Elementor is connect. Now go to themes. So we need a Astra theme, which is already installed. If you this is our fully free theme, you just activate it. And I think we need to update. Yes, our theme is updated. Just update this one as well as. So update that theme is at latest version. Yes. So that what is the next step? Important, we need to let's start with the starter template. Just click it, activating. Let's take a couple of minutes to activating. Try with a new AI builder, build with templates. You can AI builder, you can just leave your details and just proceed. I'm go with build with template, choosing builder. So here click on e-commerce, bookstore. So you can scroll down. Here's our theme template. Let's take a couple of minutes to load. So our templates loaded, you can set up your color combination according to your book and your theme. We have a multiples. We just, if you want to choose blue colors, you have a book of green, if red and pinkish. We have also pink, orange, again blue, dark blue, yellowish, green, again something like yellow. So here's the color is choosing, but original is more looking nice, so we are choosing original color. So you can choose a font according to your requirement. You can change your requirement if you according, oh sorry, you can change your font according to your requirement. Yes, setup, and you can upload your logo if you want to. Here's the logo. You want to change, continue. You have just add a basic detail, fill these basic detail. So install the required plugins, import features, import content, share non-sensitive data, and import customizers. These all are checked, and just leave the blank, no need to fill if you don't want to fill that. So it's take a couple of minutes to complete this process. So here's our process completed. Now go back to our website. You can see our content is imported successfully and our website is imported. Here's the basic detail is imported. So our menu, even our menu is also here. There's the list of book, and click on checkout, also working. You can see, go to checkout page, so it's also working because Stripe is not set up. So here's the checkout page. So go back to bio. Here's the bio. You can, if you want to change these stuff, and you just simply add it with Elementor. You can just change the content here. You can change the low icons and change the URL of your profile. If you want to change the image, you just click on here, upload from your device, and change it here. You can also change this content. You can change this stuff, these details, and here's connect your. If you want to connect your Insta, you can just upload this and add the link of your Instagram here. This all stuff is changeable, so just you can change it easily and then update it. Simple. You can also do with all the other stuff here, as well as if you want to send a message, you can set up this message as well as if you want to change this section. This is a CTA. If you can see over the Elementor, click here, you can see CTA call to action. Just click and open. So you can this WP form is created and this form ID is R12. Go back here, visit dashboard, go to forms, WP forms. His the ID is 14 and his ID is 12. Contact form. So you can set setting, spam notification. You can set up admin email. You can change these all details according to your requirement. You can add if you want multiple notification, you need to upgrade this one. Confirmation message, you can also update this confirmation message. Auto scroll, show entry preview, so you can also show a page if you want to and create a page for after result page. If you want to redirect a specific URL, you can just add that URL. so it's according to your requirement. You can marketing functionality you also integrate. You can also integrate a payment method with your form. You can create a new one if you want to create. Just simply leave it. So if you want to change these images here, you can change. I'm choosing this one. The overall website, these images has been changed. I'm reloading any page, go back, scroll down, you can see our images is changed on overall the website. See, so if you want to change the this detail or footer or header, you need to customize your website. It's a header builder. You can see his site logo. You can see account, this detail, account of this, and cart, this detail of cart, display cart total, and display cart title. As if you want to see cart title, you can see now the total is also on the beside of the cart icon, the cart title as well as you can see cart title, but we don't need a cart title. And you can change the colors and all the stuff related to cart. Here is the detail available, and account detail, avatar, text if you want to add text, avatar according to your requirement, account URL if you have created account page, you can add URL account here, and like my account page of a default, let's suppose WooCommerce default my account page. So account URL here, open a new tab. If you want to open a new tab, it is all the stuff here. So just publish it, go back, and now the footer. Here's the draft. This is a widget one. This is a copyright area. If you want to click here, you can change this stuff. Copyright here, site title, and powered by. And you can also change this menu here, configure the menu. This is selected a main menu, edit menu if you want to edit this menu. If you want to change this stuff, you can add a URL here. Also, if you want to change the your widget one, you can also change here. You can add multiple blocks here and according to your requirement. So here's the detailed and complete video of our bookstore, how to create this bookstore, how to change the bookstore, how to change the value of bookstore. It's a step-by-step procedure. If you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest and more content. Thank you. We will meet in our next video with new topic and latest content.